Grinders are noisy, but look how fast this thing goes. I gotta fill this up again. It goes for about 5 days. This here, that container right there will hold about 5 days worth of ground beans. So that's cool. I was doing it every morning. Now I don't have to. I just do it, and every 5 days refill the bean hopper and grind it. But listen how loud it is, but it's fast. Sweet. The other one I had, it was a smaller one. The first one we had that we realized quickly that I needed a new one. This little one here, it's okay, but you have to fill it twice, and it takes a little while to grind the beans. This one is really fast compared to that first one. So I just had to share that. I just love my new bean grinder that my hubby got me. It's so cool. I'm good to go for the next 5 days on fresh ground beans, coffee beans.